Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Balcetis. I'm an associate professor of psychology in the social psychology group at New York University. I wanted to talk a little bit about what I look for in a strong applicant as they apply for the PhD program here. First of all, I'm really interested in somebody who is curious about things about people. That curiosity, that excitement to do science, the excitement for basic research is really what I'm looking for. Of course, that's pretty general, and if you are looking for a research lab to join, that probably already describes you. So another specific feature for New York University is that we are really looking for students who have interests with multiple faculty members. We find that the best students, the ones we are all excited about, are ones that can take an idea from, say, my research lab and pull in a research idea from some other research lab within our social psychology group at NYU. So those make for the most exciting collaborations. Science is done better when there's more than one mind that's involved. That's why I'm excited to work with my own students. But it's also made better by involving other perspectives, like those that you might get from another research lab, from another faculty mentor. So really, as you're thinking about what if you are a good fit here and if we are a good fit for you, what you should consider is, can I be mentored by more than just Emily Balcetis? Will I find that my research can be supported and developed by pulling in not only Emily's expertise, but also that of any of the other faculty members that are within our group? So think about that. If you find yourself interested in more than one person's research, go ahead and write in your research statement about how you see your interest being supported by more than one person. And a third facet from my lab in particular is that really I'm interested in the study of motivation and goals. At the heart of it, that is what my interest is. I'm a motivation scientist. So really I'm interested in studying goals wherever you might find them. That could be in the domain of psychology and the law. It could be in the domain of health. It might be in terms of growing and developing leadership potential in members of underrepresented groups. Or it might be in a domain that you yourself are passionate about, but you haven't seen represented in my work yet. Then you'll have noticed also that a lot of my work pulls in an element of visual experience. Now that's important because we think that that's just an aspect of information processing. We think about stuff, we remember stuff, and we also see stuff. And when we're talking about biases or ways that people go wrong or the problems that they experience when meeting their goals, it can come because they're thinking the wrong way, they're remembering the wrong things, or they're seeing the world in a way that actually isn't helping support their goals. So what I am looking for is somebody who has an interest and perhaps already research experience in areas of motivation and in areas of maybe judgment and decision making, basic social cognition about how our mind works, and maybe some experience in vision science, although that's not necessary. So I hope this has helped you to get a better sense of what it is that I am looking for in an application. And in terms of focusing on the research areas, I've highlighted a few different strengths, three areas of strength here. Do you have a basic interest in conducting research? That's what we're looking for. Are your research interests shared and supported by multiple faculty members at New York University? And do your interests align with mine? Are you interested in studying motivation, how the mind works, and maybe some aspect of information processing, decision making, perhaps it can include visual experience. So I wish you well, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks.